Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to select who can tag you on their photos on Twitter. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. From the resulting menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy and Safety. Now go to Audience and Tagging. Here you will find Photo Tagging. Tap on it. By default, Twitter lets anyone to tag you on their photo. If you want that no one can tag you, select Off. And if you want that only the people you follow can tag you, select the second option. That's it. From now on, strangers won't be able to tag you on their photo. So in this way, you can select who can tag you on their photo on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.